Hi, I'm Paige, or Novice Cosplay.
Hi, I'm Carl from PangiCosPix.
And in this video, we're going to show you how to set up a super cool photo shoot with a projector.
The first thing you will need for any home photo shoot is a backdrop for your photos. And I'm going to show you how to make a super affordable one using fabric from Fabric Wholesale Direct. I used 4 yards of the white poplin fabric, and poplin is great for backgrounds because it is wrinkle resistant, easy to iron, and most importantly, photographs beautifully. I recommend white fabric for a projector shoot, but they have a ton of different colors if you want to get creative or use a different colored backdrop for a different shoot. Once you have your fabric, turning it into a backdrop is super easy. You don't need to do anything to the selvage sides because they don't fray. On the top and bottom edge, serge or zigzag stitch along the edge to prevent fraying. Then, take the edge and fold it over on itself twice, encasing the raw edge. Straight stitch over that. On one end, fold the fabric over about 2 to 3 inches, then straight stitch just above your hemmed edge. This will create a channel so that you can easily put your backdrop onto a backdrop stand. And with that, it's all done. Now, Carl from PangiCosPix is going to talk about how to set up a photo shoot area.
The lights I used were 2 Godox LC500 RGB and 1 Alonzi R66. We went with a sort of 3-point light setup with the projector as the key light. The Alonzi was the fill light, and the 2 Godoxes were the back and hair light. As you can see in the diagram, this is the layout of how we use the Godox and the Alonzi light with the projector. The focus was to get the images and words on the face. After we tried a couple different things, a 2-point light setup with the hair light and the key light, and then we ended with just the key light.
Finally, I want to share a few tips on what kind of images work well for projector photo shoots. After a lot of experimenting, we found that black and white images like this and images with a dark background like this works the best. Geometric shapes and patterns also look really cool too. Try to avoid images like these with a lot of colors because they'll make your costume difficult to see and don't look very good when projected over your face. And to set the images up, I just drag all of them into a PowerPoint and set the background to black. That way you can easily adjust and move around the images to frame your face or your pose. Anyways, don't be afraid to experiment, as it's really fun to try out different photos. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Bye!